Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Is your extender not working properly since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to reset TP-Link RE200 Extender in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end. First of all, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the TP-Link RE200 Extender. Resetting the TP-Link RE200 Extender is necessary when you're experiencing connection issues, forgot the admin password, or want to reconfigure it for a new network. A reset restores the device to its factory settings, clearing any previous configurations or errors. Now plug the TP-Link RE200 into a power outlet. Make sure it's in a spot where it can fully power on. Look for a small hole labeled reset on the side or bottom of the RE200. It's usually recessed to prevent accidental presses. Take your paperclip or pin and insert it into the reset hole. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see the power LED start blinking. This blinking indicates the device is resetting. Once the power LED starts blinking, release the button. The extender will now begin the reset process. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes to fully reboot. When the power LED becomes solid again, the reset is complete. After the reset, the extender will return to its default settings, and you will need to set it up again. Plug in the TP-Link RE200, connect to its default Wi-Fi, and visit TP-Linkrepeater.net to follow the setup wizard. Choose your main Wi-Fi network, enter its password, and finish the setup. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.